squared plus 1 over n squared. And then when we expand this, we get 18i over n plus 24i over n minus 12i, oh, this is 24i squared, minus 12i over n squared plus 8i cubed over n cubed minus, oh, let's jump down, minus 8i squared over n cubed plus 2i over n cubed. Now subtract 9 over n minus 12i over n plus 6 over n squared minus 4i squared over n cubed plus 4i over n cubed plus 1 over, or subtract 1 over n cubed. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take this and do some canceling. We're going to collect like terms. So it's equal to, we have this 18i over n, and we're looking for anything else that's I over n. So we've got this 12i over n. So that gives us 6i over n, and these terms are gone. And now we got 24i squared over n. So we're looking for another I squared over n. This should be squared. So we're looking for I squared over n squared. And this, it looks like this should be a, oh, we don't have any, so it's just plus 24i squared over n squared minus 12i over n squared. So we're looking for another I over n squared. And I over n squared, we should have one here. I over n squared should be 4i over 12i over n minus 9 over n, I over n squared, 8i. Oh, there. Let me expand this again to make sure we've got it done properly. We've got this should be minus 9 over n. This should be over n squared, not over n. So this here is going to be 18i over n. And then this 12 I over n squared is going to become a minus 24i over n squared. And those are going to cancel. then 8I cubed over n cubed is going to be plus 8I cubed over n cubed. Now, I squared over n cubed, we have minus 8 minus another 4. So it's going to be minus 12I squared over n cubed. And then we have I over n cubed, so that we have 2 and 4, which is going to be plus 6I over n cubed here. And we're left with minus 9 over n plus 6 over n squared minus 1 over n. And then the next stage that we're going to do is we're going to collect by common i's. So if we look here, we've got I cubed. The only thing we have multiplied by I cubed is 8 over n cubed times our I cubed. Plus, and now we have a bunch of things times I squared. We have 24 over n squared minus 12 over n cubed. That's our only I squared terms. And now we look at our things multiplied by I. So our I squared terms are gone and our I cubed terms are gone. Now for our I terms, we have 18 over n plus, or sorry, minus 24 over n squared, all times I. And then we have, we have one more term. That's our last term here is going to be 6 over n cubed times I. And then our I terms are gone. And we're left with just our numbers, which is 6 over n squared minus this should be 1 over n cubed. So minus 9 over n minus 1 over n cubed. And this is where we finish. So we're looking at Rn equaling the sum of I equals 1 to n of 8 over n cubed I cubed plus 24 over n squared minus 12 over n cubed I squared plus 18 over n minus 24 over n squared plus 6 over n cubed times I plus 6 over n squared minus 9 over n minus 1 over n cubed all times 2 over n. So our next step is to expand all of this so we get a sum of I cubed, a sum of I squared, a sum of I and a sum of numbers. So this is going to equal 8 over n cubed sum. Oh, we got to multiply this entire thing by 2 over n. So this is going to be, this is going to be 16 over n to the 4 sum I equals 1 to n I cubed plus 2 over, oh, we can expand that in, plus 48 over n squared minus 24 over, or n cubed minus 24 over n to the 4 times the sum of I equals 1 to n I squared plus 36 over n squared minus 48 over n cubed plus 12 over n to the 4 times the sum of I equals 1 to n I plus 6 over, or sorry, 12 over n cubed minus 18 over n squared minus 2 over n cubed times the sum of I equals 1 to n 1. And now what we're going to do is we're going to replace with the formulas for I, sum from 1 to n of I squared, I cubed, which gives us 16 over n to the 4 n squared n plus 1 squared over 4 plus 48 minus 24 over n cubed over n4 times 2n plus 1 times n plus 1 times n all over 6 plus 36 over n squared minus 48 over n cubed plus 12 over n to the 4 times n plus 1 all over 2 plus, and now this expression here is just going to be n, so it's 12 over n cubed minus 18 for n squared minus 2 over n cubed all times n. And this is our expression for Rn.